Kulish bun fi bro session part kene kalau ka jumtip nam ta Jingmareh ke bakwa ban simenta ka Jingmareh thong ka ban long lai tarik August arjar sau bla panlong ka Department of City vs Negrims is organizing a national vascular day run on 3rd August 2024 lai tarik August arjar sau ke bakwa ban simenta salek ketika Sngi ke sedang baik napo JN Stadium Dengan page yang kata kajian pentip nam takane. The National Vascular Day in India is celebrated every year on the 6th of August, and event are organized to create awareness on the aims of saving limbs and making India okay. Takkan pulih kane dan pulih. CTVS Nigrim is organizing the National Vascular Day run on the 3rd of August 2024. Interested person are invited to participate in National Vascular Day on the 3rd of August at 6 a.m. at MFA Football Ground Polo. Kan mau kita buat benda sementara saat lagi dia polo ko rupa je step haban lagi kam kloi la dah fiklam pad deb register markin register hakatu hi gas step hi hab lagi kam kloi free t-shirt can I free t-shirt if he will be distributed to all participants and there will also be cash prize for the winners kan I ru ka cash prize nam lagi nang job. The run will be conducted in open category for both male and female. Can I be open category? Amnon age category era. Taken I be open category dan kau be. Kandaisan kilometer mah. Yang sedang be na MFA parking lot, JN Stadium main gate, Polo, Shillong, SRGT main gate, terdatar kepenkut biang hajuhi MFA parking lot, JN Stadium. Yang sedang najuhi kepenkut hajuhi. The run will be conducted in open category for both male and female. The cash prize kan long 10,000 maningkong, 1,000 baar, 6,000 balai, ber constellation, kenai basau haduk bapra, mar sanspa tingkai way, berbalong basau basan berupanya haduk bapra, kinyo mar sanspa tingkai. Akan lagi kan teru ka prize kan ikum juhi 10,000 maningkong, 1,000 baar, balai 6,000, constellation prize, mar sanspa tingkai, balong basau haduk bapra. Prize of 500 for top 3 finisher, both male and female of about 50 years of age. They can aero sans panikai belong top 3 nagamtai gibla sans post name sejrong contain version rang. Participants are requested to register themselves online or on site. The online the link claim I the piaban lada claim padep gibla register labiang lada claim padep register. There's a late direct hakatu kasngihi kin sa register hakatu or on site registration at MFA parking lot, JST main gate, Polo Shillong on the 3rd of August 2024 from 6 a.m. to 6:45. Then adu rubaje adu rusopsan tapi ap like register hakatu kasngi hiru mlere kin ahi sale hakatu kasngi. T-shirt and chest number will be distributed on 3rd August 2024 at starting point. Hakatu kasngi kin sa ai ki t-shirt ai ki bib number te register hakatu kasngi telada pi ko abane simenta kan ke Jingmareh sakan mau ban lek hakatu kasngi Ulong lai August arjar sau. Tangin ni hingip tip, flash one.